everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
Hey everyone, are you seeing the title for today's video? I'm going to be making a giant snowflake. Let's get right into the video.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
So the items that you'll be needing to make this giant snowflake will be any plastic clothes hangers that you have. You can get them at Dollar Tree as well as Walmart and the generic brand that they have at Walmart. I think it costs like 98 cents for like a pack of 20s, I think. And you can get it any color that you want. I got it in white because that's the theme that I was wanting. My whole theme was white and blue tones. Also, you'll be needing some scissors as well as clear zip ties. I'll repeat it again. Please get some clear zip ties when you're doing this. And that's really all that you need. So guys, the way to really make this giant snowflake turn out like an actual realistic giant snowflake is to make sure that you really look at how a snowflake is supposed to look, as well as you can get a picture of a compass or go online, look at one, because how the placement is of this giant snowflake is kind of similar of an actual compass. Merging into a snowflake. So because on the snowflake it actually forms of north, south, east, west, and then the second layer goes into the compass part of it as well, is when they have it go to northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast, and that will be the second layer of this giant snowflake. So that's what you see them doing now. I'm doing the second layer. So like that right there will be the that would be like the northeast part of it, and then I'm going to be doing the northwest part of it. So it's just, as I said, it's just a forming of how a snowflake looks, as well as thinking about it how a compass looks, like I said, doing the north, south, east, west, and then doing the northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. So if you get both those two concepts, then you understand why I say that in this video. So keep that in mind when you are making this giant snowflake, as well as I will show you the end results at the end, the way it looks. So you can take a screenshot or a picture of it, so that way you can get a better idea of how I actually made the giant snowflake. And as well as when you do your zip ties, right now I'm just putting them on, but I do not tie them real tight, because after that I will go back to double check that the way I want my hanger, the placement of the hangers to make the snowflake is the way I want them to be. As you see what I'm doing now, I'm just going back to double check to make sure, and then after I double check the placement of the hangers, I will go back and actually really tighten the tighten the hangers, the zip ties. But also make sure you don't tie it too tight, because then it will bulk up. So just tie them enough to where it won't move, as well as it won't bulk up. So that's another tip to keep in mind. And with the scissors, is just to take off the excess piece of the zip ties after you tied it tight. And that is really about it. So good luck, guys, with this. I hope it turns out, and I can't wait to see the results that you end up having if you do end up deciding to do this big project. Please leave a comment down below letting me know how it turned out, as well as Let me know what color scheme did you go with, and how did you make yours, the whole detail or anything like that. Please let me know all of that in the comments down below, and I can't wait to see and hear and really read and hear and see how everything went. So that's about it.
this is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.